Here's the first ball of the innings. That is a very quick signal taken. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. Here is a fielder at extra cover. Straight up in the air, and that's a six. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. Wonderful fielding. That will lift the spirits of the fielding side. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Plays and misses. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. And he helps himself to a six. Can you do it again? That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Pacer introduced from the other end. Here is a fielder at the extra cover. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is six. That is just magnificent batting. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, that must have really hurt. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. inside the inner circle. That has made some serious damage. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to his speed. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. Slips in place. Oh, that was a seriously quick ball. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy swings. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the sharp one. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. Must have really hurt. He is arguably one of the best hitters in the world cricket.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back. Slips in place. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. That has made some serious damage.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, that was a seriously quick ball. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt.
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge of the seat thriller here. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to the speed.
Nudges it for a single.
That is huge, Beal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Slips in place. Trying to up the run rate there, a very loose shot in the end. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Edge and it's gone for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Last ball of the innings coming up.
That's 6. He picked up the length very early.
And that's it. A brilliant performance from the bowlers. They've bowled good lines all day. In the end, the top...
Let's congratulate.